Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the pointer cursor on Hover in Webflow, making it easier for users to recognize clickable elements on your site. Let's get started. First, open your Webflow project and select the element you want to make clickable. This could be anything from a button, text block, or link block to an image or any other interactive item. Once the element is selected, go to the Style panel on the right side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Cursor section. By default, it's set to Auto, which doesn't always show the pointer cursor. To fix this, click on the drop-down and change the cursor style to Pointer. Now, whenever someone hovers over that element, the standard hand pointer cursor will appear, signaling that the item is clickable. If you want to apply this hover effect to multiple elements at once, you can create a class for the elements and set the cursor style there. Webflow will automatically apply the pointer cursor to all elements with that class, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your site. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the pointer cursor on Hover in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more Webflow tips and tricks.